In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Zendesk. Whether you're tidying up your Zendesk account or ensuring your database is up to date, removing users who no longer need access is an essential task. Let's go step by step through the process to ensure you do this correctly and efficiently. First, we'll start by navigating to the crucial area where all user management tasks are undertaken: the Admin Center. Once you're in the Admin Center, focus on the left-hand side navigation. There you'll see a tab labeled People, which is where we'll start. It's worth noting that in some Zendesk interfaces, this option might be listed under Manage People. Either way, we're looking to access the same resource. This is the central hub for managing user accounts on your platform. Now, with that part squared away, our next task is to locate the specific user profile that you wish to delete. If you have their name easily accessible, simply type it into the search bar to pull up their profile. Alternatively, if you're navigating directly from a ticket, you can expedite this step by clicking on the user's name right from there. This brings up their profile page, which contains all pertinent information about the user and their activity. Upon opening the user's profile, you should notice an options menu. This can be identified by either a set of 3 dots or a downward-facing arrow at the top right corner of the screen, depending on your interface setup. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to managing the user account. From this menu, you will select Delete. Although it might feel final, let me put your mind at ease. Selecting this option is what we call a soft deletion. What this means is that while the user is deactivated and removed from immediate access, their data isn't permanently erased and can still be retrieved if necessary. Once you've chosen to delete the user, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and click OK to proceed with the deletion. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to ensure you're ready to make this change. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from your Zendesk environment. Just remember, with these steps, the user is only deactivated for now. Their data is stored securely in Zendesk, allowing recovery if needed in the future. Keeping this in mind can be really helpful if you ever need to reverse an action or if a user returns to your team. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, simplifying what might otherwise be a daunting process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Zendesk tips and tricks.